Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the S24 Ultra and some of my other Android devices, but mainly the S24 Ultra because right now it's my favorite phone, and I've got a few other devices here. I've got the B30 Pro, which content is not out on this. It does fingerprint it up. It's been sitting here. I'm waiting on the company to approve my unboxing on that before I release that. We've got my Google Pixel 8 here, which I currently use for just messing around on custom Android ROMs and the Android 15 beta. This phone right here, just kind of a play around experimental device, but I do use it time to time as an actual daily driver. I will be doing a video on this ROM though, so stay tuned for that. But the S24 Ultra has been my main device since it came out about a month and a half, 2 months ago, and I'm loving it. My favorite phone. I love how the phone feels in the hand. I love how responsive it is. Excellent battery life. Easily all-day battery life. It is 12:20 in the morning when I'm recording this, and I've been unplugged all day. Not all day, like technically, but since I got up around noon. So about 12 hours. Like I said, full usage all day. 13% left. So very good battery life. Very impressed by that. Very happy with it. I haven't used my iPhone really at all since it's been a while. I had the OnePlus Open. I had the Z Flip 5. I've got my Z Fold 4. So I've been bouncing back and forth between that. But within the past couple months, I've been using just this with a mix of the Pixel. I just got this last week for the beta, but I've been on and off this. Haven't used it this week, but I did use it last weekend. And then, like I said, the B30 Pro just came in for review. So I haven't used it at all yet because I do need to get a SIM card for it. But right now, the S24 Ultra is my top device. I have not used my iPhone in a few months. So I hope iOS 18 brings something new to the table. But right now, my favorite device for 2024 is going to be the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So kind of just an update on what I'm using, that kind of stuff. If you guys have any questions, if there's anything you guys want to see with these devices, let me know down in the comments below. But I kind of want to do a little update video on, the S24 Ultra being my main device and letting you guys know what I have right now if you guys want to see any content on anything in particular. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.